If you receive a moisture detected error on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, despite your charging port being dry, here's how to troubleshoot. First, ensure the port is completely dry. You can gently wipe it with a clean, soft cloth, or use a soft brush or toothpick to remove any debris. You can also try gently shaking the phone with the port facing downwards to dislodge any trapped moisture. If the issue persists, try clearing the USB settings cache in the phone's settings or consider using a wireless charger temporarily.
Wow.